In today's video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Uniswap. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, as you can see in here, I'm on the Uniswap website. And if I click my wallet address in the top right corner, as you can see, I do actually have some Ethereum on Base. And let's just say I was trying to withdraw this. Now, if we click on this, it doesn't actually give us the option to withdraw inside of Uniswap. And that's because Uniswap is just a place to trade tokens. It's not actually a place where we can withdraw funds. The way to withdraw our money is via the wallet, which we have the money in. So as you can see, this is the wallet that I've got connected to Uniswap. And if we click on this here, we can see all of the assets that we own, and that's the Ethereum on Base to just talk about. So if you want to withdraw this, as I mentioned, you will actually have to go first to our wallet, and this process will be slightly different depending on which wallet you have. But for this video, I'll be showing you how to do it on your Rabbi. All you need to do to withdraw this money is to find the send button in your Rabbi. You can find it right here, so I can go ahead and click on this, and as you can see, we can now choose an address to send it to. So I can simply paste in that address here, and then I can choose how much Ethereum I wanted to send, and from there I could go ahead and send it once I've actually click send, and that will mean that you successfully withdrawn our money from Uniswap. So that's how you can withdraw money from Uniswap. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.